All right, right now we're on our way to pick up the meals. I'm excited. You can tell. It's always great. It feels so grateful when you're about to do something awesome. Like hopefully serving some food to some less fortunate people today. It's freezing, as you can see. Okay. Christmas, New Year's Eve. So I'll keep you guys posted. Later. Picked up the food. Truck is loaded. The car is loaded. Let's see. Truck is back. That's it. Thank you to the Billy Goat for hooking us up. So we did a few drive around, hand over some food. Because it's so cold, we're not coming to shelter home. We just donated all at once.
Yes, my name is Kevin, and we are located here at 1521 North Sedgwick, and we are a shelter facility. Basically, we need everything here: donation, food, blankets, clothes. This is the new facility that just opened June 11th, and we welcome all donations. Thank you.
Yeah, man. Appreciate it.
Mm-hmm.
Special thank you to the Billy Goat for hooking us up. Special thank you to Bill and Sam, as well as Joanna, for helping me out, driving around the city and passing out the food. I really appreciate you guys. And some of you that are watching this, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a new year tonight. I hope you guys be safe out there. And remember, he who gives never, ever, ever goes broke. Happy New Year.
I'm with the man himself. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.